The given question says that calcium is an element with atomic number 20. State the reason and answer of each of the following questions. Is calcium a metal or non-metal? Will its atomic radius be larger or smaller than that of potassium with atomic number 19? Write the formula of its oxide. So for the first part, whether it is a metal or non-metal, it is a metal. Because of its large size, it can lose electrons easily, and it also has only two electrons in its outermost shell. And therefore, the ability of losing electron is that of a metal, and hence it is a metal. And there comes the part where we have to know whether the size of calcium is larger than that of potassium. We can refer to the periodic table and know that if they are both in the same period, which is the fourth period, and we also know the periodic trend, which states that atomic radius decreases along a period. So therefore, calcium is smaller than that of potassium. Now the formula of its oxide is CaO, because calcium has two valence electrons in its outermost shell, so we write here 2, and oxygen also has only 2 electrons in its outermost shell, so it also has 2. Here we do the crisscross method, and what we get is CaO, since the 2 will get cancelled.